Which AI video generator is the best in 2025? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you which AI video generator is the best in 2025 and why it stands out from the rest. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything important. So let's jump right into it. There are a lot of AI video generators out there right now. But after testing the top ones, like Pika Labs, Runway ML, Synthesia, HeyGen, and Sora by OpenAI, the one that currently stands out as the best overall in 2025 is Sora by OpenAI. Now here's why. Sora is insane when it comes to realism and storytelling. You just give it a text prompt like, a futuristic city with flying cars during sunset, and boom, it generates a full video scene that looks like it came from a Hollywood movie. The lighting, shadows, and motion are next level. But if Sora isn't publicly available to you yet, don't worry. The next best option is Runway ML. It's beginner-friendly, fast, and you can either upload footage and add AI effects or generate entire videos from scratch using text prompts. You even get timeline-based editing like in a real video editor, but powered by AI. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. Go to runwayml.com and sign up. Once you're in, now just type in what you want, something like a panda skateboarding in Times Square. Select your aspect ratio. Hit generate. Wait a few seconds and it'll give you a short video clip based on your prompt. You can download it, extend the scene, or even edit it directly in Runway's video timeline. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or even full-length content. So to wrap it up, if you want cinematic next-gen storytelling, Sora is the best. For powerful creative control with easy editing, Runway ML is the winner. All right, that's it for this one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.